everyone, welcome back to Vian's Cooking World. Today we're gonna make yummy and cheesy cheese balls. These are the ingredients: mozzarella cheese, 1 cup, breadcrumbs, corn flour 4 spoons, corn flour with all-purpose flour or maida and mixed with water 1 cup, chili flakes, garlic powder, salt, pepper powder, and boiled and smashed. Now we're gonna add all these ingredients and half of the cheese, and then we have to mix it well and make them round like a ball. So let's do it. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of chili flakes. And now the garlic powder. And salt. And last but not least, it's pepper powder. Mix it well and make it as a ball shape. See, I applied oil in the hand and I made a ball. Squishy. To this ball, I'm gonna squeeze it and then put some cheese in it. So let's do it. Look, I added the cheese, so now we're gonna make a ball again and cover it. Look, my cheesy balls are ready. So now I'm gonna coat them. Now, breadcrumb coating. Look, I coated it with the breadcrumbs and all-purpose flour mixed with water. Now we have to refrigerate it for 1 or 2 hours and then fry it, and then your cheese balls is done. Look, my mom fried it in the oil because it's risky for kids. And I also made cylinder shape and round shape. And it's also time to taste it, my favorite part. Now let's taste it. Please try these yummy cheese balls and enjoy. Oh, it's too good that I want to eat another one. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell button, and see you later.